breakdown for this morning is Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency, you guys. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. Helps us find our support and resistance lines, our entries and our exits, and all this other good stuff. So let's go ahead and dive in, you guys. So let's go ahead and go over our support and resistance lines first, and then we'll get more in depth on where we're at down here, okay? So currently we're down nearly almost 2% for the morning, so that's nothing really too crazy. Up here is our highest level of resistance tested multiple times. You can see we got rejected in this area twice over here. What used to work as resistance used to work as support on the opposite side. So you can see we came up, came back down, bounced from this area, bounced from this area. We went back underneath working as resistance. So you can see we have resistance in this area and this area. And ultimately the last time was when we failed and pushed us down all the way to our lower support down here, which is our lowest level of support tested. And we get tested out by looking left. You can see that we bounced in this area and over here and just recently over here, okay? So now let's go ahead and dive into where we're at. So you can see that we are clearly in this downward trend, you guys. We are below the trend line. We did bounce off this support, okay? So this is a good sign. Even though we are in a downward trend, you have to understand where we bounced from, and that is our lower level of support. So you can see we kind of consolidated just for a little bit right here in our support, so that's also a good sign. We came up, created this higher high, and then are now pulling back down to retest our support level, okay? So getting in right now back at the I gotta move my face real quick. It's going to be at the 16 or 17 cent area would be your best entry at this lower support level. You can wait for more confirmation if you want to see if we start reversing in this area. However, I don't really see an issue with getting in at the support line as long as you have a mental stop loss or a stop loss underneath the 15 cent area. So if we drop back below under this support level, we'll be able to get tagged out or be able to get out of this trade and wait for a better entry, okay? However, like I said, we did consolidate a little bit right here and then came up and now are retesting the support level. So this could be a sign that buyers are starting to step up and wanting to create this reversal, you guys. Another thing, I usually don't mention fundamentals, but I was looking over certain records and stuff, and a lot of whales are buying up to millions and millions of dollars at this 16 cent level, you guys. I'm telling you, I looked at the sheet. It was just buyer after buyer after buyer, and not just these regular buyers, you guys. These whales are heavily investing at these lower levels as well. These players do use technical analysis, so they do have an idea on where we tend to bounce from. So we have to keep that in mind as well. So other than that, you guys, I like to keep these videos really short and simple. If I did that, please, 99% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel that actually watch on a daily basis. That hurts my heart. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video today. And I like to record every other day or Monday through Friday. Other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.